We might want to take sells from here and see if we can have a main target of that daily for the day. I should have been vlogging the past few weeks, man, when I've been doing a lot of stuff, but I'm definitely just excited to be bringing the vlogs back. Can't really complain when we've been winning consistently week over week for the last 7 weeks in a row. Here's the trade that literally made me lose $600 today. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. We are starting the vlogs back again, man. I ended up getting a new camera. I got the DJI Osmo 3. I hear a lot of good things about it, so I went and bought one, man, and I'm really excited to use it and start picking the vlog series back up. It was between the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 or like the Sony ZV-1F, something like that, right? I'm not into cameras or anything, but I know a lot of people were recommending this camera right here, and honestly, this is like my first actual video I'm filming with it, but as of right now, it looks amazing, man. It's small, it's literally crystal clear, it looks like. It follows you when you move and stuff, so it's a really cool camera, but it is already, let me see, I'm running a little late this morning. It is 7:45 in the morning, I don't know if you could see that, but I need to go ahead and get some exercise in. I'm debating if I wanna do a run or a bike ride this morning. I think I'm leaning towards a bike ride, so I want to go ahead and get that out the way and then come take a shower, get the charts pulled up and everything like that. And then at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, you guys already know, we are going live and hopefully taking another W today. Yesterday, we ended up catching a 1-2 on YM, so we're already starting the week out plus 2%. We secured the 7-week winning streak last week. So if today is a W, it's pretty much safe to say that we secured the 8-week winning streak, but I'm gonna go ahead and go on the bike ride and I might bring you guys along with me. Less is more when it comes to trading, and I know I say that a lot, but I want you guys to get that through your mind. And another thing too is actually have a plan. Trading is hard, don't get me wrong, but trading is gonna become a lot easier whenever you guys actually get a plan and you follow it every single day. The hard part is following your plan for a lot of people. They overtrade, they over leverage, they revenge trade. All that stuff is what keeps them unprofitable, you know? For me, you guys know, I do not trade red folder news. I only use limit orders. I wait for the setup. If the setup hits my high probability target, then I enter. If it doesn't, what am I? I'm cash. All right, I just got to this part that I like to walk at. It's just this little secluded park back here with like water and stuff. So I kind of like just walking this back and forth sometimes. It kind of just gets that fresh air in the morning, you know? But like I was saying, guys, create the plan and stick to it. And it's gonna be hard at first, but you're gonna be so happy you actually decided to create a plan and stick with it. I'm telling you guys, one of the biggest reasons that holds up a lot of traders is just not having a plan, and they're doing those stupid mistakes, over trading, over leveraging, revenge trading. And realistically, you're not going to become profitable long-term if you keep making those mistakes. I should have been vlogging the past few weeks, man, when I've been doing a lot of stuff, but I'm definitely just excited to be bringing the vlogs back. And I know a lot of you guys liked the vlogs, so we are back. And I want your guys' opinion if you like the DJI Osmo, because my last camera just wasn't the best, to be honest. It was just blurry and all that, and I'm not the best with cameras, but this, you literally just flip the screen. It has where it tracks your face and stuff, and it's just nice. You can see the water behind me. This is that pond I was talking about, but all right, guys, let's go ahead. I'm gonna quit yapping, and next thing you'll probably see is me back at the house. Yeah, we have a weekly demand down here. I'm gonna be looking at that. Now, I don't think we're gonna fall all the way down here, to be honest, but I am gonna use that as a main target. As of right now, like I said, NQ is looking a little more on the bearish side. YM's hanging at a low right now. Honestly, this weekly target down here, plus we have an H4, and plus we have the daily right here. Honestly, I think we should try to plan on working our way down to this daily demand. We might want to take sells from here and see if we can have a main target of that daily for the day. I just don't want this to flip. Honestly, let's try these YM shorts. 40-point stop loss. Looking to try to target a 1-2. I really just want to see this continue to move to the downside. I don't think this is a bad level on YM. It is early though, man, so anything could happen, but the market is looking like it kind of wants to continue its bearishness for right now. There we go. We're in. Let's see what this can do.
5 minutes later.
Just got stopped out. Man, let's see if this continues to run or if it's gonna come back down right after it stops us out. That's annoying though. Bro, the curse I think I had for the longest time was the first trade on a challenge count or first trade on a funded count curse. Every single time I would place that first trade on a challenge count or a funded count, it always seemed like it was a loss, and that was so annoying, bro. But it was always like my first trade was a loss, but then the next 4 trades were really nice W's. It was super weird. I'm telling you, bro, it's even better this time though. You came back with a better mindset. You know, you're gonna be more disciplined. You're gonna have better risk management. 2 weeks, man, and you're already about to pass another account. Like I said, 1 or 2 weeks into you joining the group the first time, and you literally got your first payout ever. All right, so as you've seen from the clips for today, we ended up taking an L. I think you can see it on the screen. Man, I like this setup, but honestly just took a loss on it. We followed our rules, had multiple timeframes and confluence. It's as simple as that. Look at YM though. It is literally consolidating right now. So we're sitting up like a 1-to-1 on the week right now. So still a profitable week. So there's nothing to worry about. I believe there's FOMC tomorrow. So we're going to have to watch out for that. I think it's at like 2 p.m. though. So we'll be off. But as you can see, I trade live Monday through Friday at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Right now, we are trying to go for the 8-week winning streak. We secured a 7-week winning streak last week. And hopefully we'll secure an 8-week winning streak this week. And then I'm trying to beat my goal of a 15-week winning streak. So the goal for sure is a 16-week winning streak. Ended the stream early today just because we ended up already taking our trade and then we were chopping it up for a little. It is currently 10:21 and now we're about to go continue with the day. I already exercised a little, traded live. I got quite a bit of computer work to do today and then just gonna do some other stuff, but pretty much I'm gonna be staying home today, not doing anything too crazy, but I will be sure to kind of film and chop it up with you guys. Here's the trade that literally made me lose $600 today, and even though I'm not mad about it, a loss is still annoying, but it's definitely normal for sure. So this right here was the level I was looking at. So we had an M5 supply, we had a H1 supply, M15, and an M1 supply. You could see, broke past it and pretty much just hit stop loss, you know, within a few minutes. But look at this price action today. Bro, this price action was not good at all. Like, look at this. Chop City right there. Then we would have came down and we would have hit TP1. And then it literally kind of just chopped in this area again. Horrible, horrible price action. But then again, I didn't mind taking this setup though. Obviously, that's why I took it. I was kind of expecting for us to maybe reject from here and then go to the downside more, to be honest with you, with this daily demand being the main target. You can see we have not hit that demand at all yet. Now, I honestly won't be surprised, though, if we don't move that far as well. We could totally, like, just reject kind of like where price is currently at, to be honest, somewhere right around this area, and then start to move back to the upside and try to get a new high. But we took an L today on YM, so I'm not going to be too mad, though. I'm up 1% on the week still, so it's still not too bad. At least we're in profit. Now, NQ, man, NQ fell today, so I was looking at NQ today as well. Overall analysis was for, I believe, it to go down for the day. But overall analysis on YM, even for like the next week or whatever, 2 weeks, is I want to see NQ hit all-time high. It's as simple as that. I mean, YM was hitting all-time high, and I think NQ is just due for it. So I think we're going to start making our way to all-time high in the near future. I think this is just a pretty decent pullback, but let's just say the pullback continues. The overall main target is going to be this weekly, or not this weekly, daily. There's a daily right there. I think I just messed up and moved the weekly. Yeah, weekly's right here. And there is a daily literally right under it. So if NQ just keeps on falling, we are most likely going to be using this weekly and daily demand as main targets. Now, like I said, I'm a little more biased for the longs to all-time high, but I'm not going to stick strong to one bias. I go off what the market shows me. If the market's showing me shorts, I'll take shorts. If the market's showing me long opportunities, I'll take longs. It literally just depends. But like I'm telling you, main target to the upside is all-time high up there. Main target to the downside is going to be that weekly and daily demand. And just because we took an L today does not mean we should be discouraged or anything. Like I said, we are on a 7-week winning streak and we're still up 1% this week. So can't really complain when we've been winning consistently week over week for the last 7 weeks in a row. So I just wanted to show you guys that trade from today, kind of give you like a little explanation of why I took that, which were those multiple levels of supply and confluence, and then just show you like NQ and stuff, the main targets, and hopefully a W comes tomorrow.